So today Vivo announces its Vivo V11 Pro in India, and I think it is one of the best smartphones that you can purchase in the price of rupees 26,000. And fortunately I have attended the launch event and I have recorded some footage of that device. So basically this is the hands-on and first impression video of that Vivo V11 Pro, and I am going to share my opinions on that device. So yeah, let's begin. Hey, what's up guys, my name is Zahir. So by the way, I have attended the launch event which was held today, and yeah, you don't believe that Amir Khan was also there, which is a very awesome thing. So basically Vivo launched its first, or I can say one of the best smartphone till now in India, which is a V11 Pro. So let's talk about it. So basically this time they nailed it. I am serious guys. So guys, let's talk about that smartphone. So talking about the design and build quality, even this time Vivo has given us plastic body. I don't know why they did that, but when it comes to looks and feel, it looks pretty nice, and it is very light smartphone. And I don't know why, but it looks and feel very premium when in this special, I don't know what the color known, I guess it is known as Starry Night or something like that, but it looks pretty premium in the hand and it is very light too. So it's a very nice thing. Now guys, let's talk about the specification. You might know that Vivo is known for their cheap specs in the very high range pricing, but this time they have given a very good specification, and I am very impressed with the specification this time, because they given us a Snapdragon 660 processor, which is a premium mid-range chip, and it is very powerful. By the way, I am let me show you that I am using this Mi A2 and it also has a Snapdragon 660 processor, so I know that the performance of that 660 processor paired with the Adreno 612 GPU is very awesome. And when it comes to performance guys, it's amazing. I am impressed with the performance of the Vivo. I don't know about the skin, it has fun touch OS. Let's see how it will gonna perform in the real life. But Snapdragon 660 processor is very powerful and very efficient too, thanks to that 14nm FinFET technology. Now moving to the display, which is very impressive in this smartphone. They have given us a 6.41 inches of Super AMOLED display, which is bonkers in my opinion. And when it comes to notch design, as you see over here, they given us this droplet type of notch, and it looks very premium. The screen to body ratio is 90%, which is astonishing in my opinion guys. So when it comes to display, I am super impressed with Vivo guys this time. Good job Vivo. And moving to another things, basically they have given us in-display fingerprint, which is an also very nice thing in this budget category. I mean, this phone costs 26,000, right?
Well, and I must say that what I really liked about it is you know, your in-display fingerprint thing. Because usually the phones so far have got fingerprint you know, feature to open the phone, but they're not in the display.
Correct.
There's a little band at the bottom, so your screen becomes smaller.
Yeah.
But in this Vivo, the fingerprint opening thing is on the display, so that makes your screen larger, and it's great for me because I like to watch a lot of content.
Correct.
You know, on the phone. So I think that's a great feature that you have there. Yeah.
Sure.
So in this price range, they given us AMOLED display and in-display fingerprint scanner, because in-display fingerprint scanner does not work on IPS technology. So that's why they have to give us the AMOLED display. And by the way, in that notch they also given IR blaster. That means it the face unlock feature will also work in the pitch dark situation, which is a very nice thing. While we are talking about the specification, it has 6 GB of RAM, which is also a nice thing, and 64 GB of internal storage. And you can also expand the storage, and it has dedicated SD card slot. Now moving to the cameras guys, at the rear side it has dual cameras. The primary sensor is 12 megapixel with the aperture of f1.8, and the secondary sensor is 5 megapixel with the aperture of f2.4 I guess. So that's a depth sensor. And as of the first impression, it looks pretty good. These are some samples which I have took over the sample area that Vivo provide to shoot the video at the media event. And when it comes to front facing camera, it has 25 megapixel front facing camera with f2.0 aperture, and it looks pretty good. As you see, these are some of the selfies which I have took with the Vivo V11 Pro, which is looks pretty nice. What do you guys say? Let me know in the comment section below. If you are interested to see the full review of this Vivo V11 Pro, then let me know in the comment section below. I will try to do that as well. Now guys, I have one small problem over here, that it does not shoot 4K videos, which is very big bummer for a lot of people, including me, because I am a video guy. As you know that I love videos, I love making videos. So if I should get 4K video recording, it would be really nice, but they didn't include that, which is a very kind of bummer for me. And they didn't even include EIS, which is also a bad thing. I don't know, I am not sure that they include the EIS, but I guess they haven't mentioned anywhere about the EIS. I guess it does not have EIS. So let's see, let's hope if Vivo provide EIS in the future updates. Now for powering everything, we have 3400 mAh battery, which is also a nice thing. It is not very amazing or something like that, like this Poco F1 has 4000 mAh battery, which is insane, and the battery life of this smartphone is just amazing. But as you see, this 3400 mAh battery paired with this AMOLED display and this 660 processor, which is built on 14 nanometer, the battery life is definitely going to be very good. It is not going to break the records or something like that, but it is definitely going to be good. So yeah, I don't have any complaints in terms of the battery department. And they also given us dual engine fast charging, which is in their way of saying 18-watt fast charger they have provided in the box, which is also a nice thing. Let's see. Now talking about my opinion guys, I have to say this time Vivo, you nailed it, because in the offline market I don't see any smartphone that can come even close to that price point and that value, because when you compare the value proposition, this smartphone given us lot of things. I mean, this smartphone checks lot of boxes. When it comes to offline brand, I mean, they've given us AMOLED display, I mean super AMOLED display, which is amazing, and screen to body ratio is just awesome. That amazing design, which droplet design, it looks pretty premium. And when it comes to processor, it has a very good processor, Snapdragon 660. It is little bit expensive in my opinion, but for the offline market it is very good. Even after that, they given us very good camera, which is also a very nice thing. So overall I'm very impressed with this smartphone guys, and I'm sure that if you can purchase this smartphone, you are not going to regret it. By the way, I will leave a link in the description box below from where you can purchase it if you are interested to purchase it in online market, so you can do surely buy it from that link. And yeah, so if you are interested in that, you can surely do buy it. So overall I would say it is a very good device guys. If I get the chance to review it, I will definitely do. So yeah, that's all in this video guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, then hit that like button right now, like literally, and share this video with your friends. And by the way guys, if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, hit that red subscribe button, and after that hit that bell notification icon, so you will be notified when I post new videos like this one. By the way, what about the quality? What do you guys think about the quality? It is good, it is bad? Let me know in the comment section below. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video guys. Bye bye.